Shemai from Wales. Okay, well, it's been a long time coming, but we're finally here. And my first video from Wales is not from a location that I was expecting. I'm actually in the car that we hired. And but I'm doing this for a reason, let me tell you. Our first day in Wales, not 5 minutes after driving and picking it up from the rental company, I was driving down the road and I didn't take into account the curbs on the opposite side that I'm used to driving on, but now they're on the opposite side, of course. And I hit the curb and I blew 2 tires. Well, the police happened to be driving by. They stopped by to help us out. They called the recovery service. And I'm telling you, my first experience in Wales couldn't have gone any better. The kindness that the police and the recovery service showed us was incredible. Just very helpful. In fact, after the police left, Kevin from the recovery service escorted us into the town of Barry to get the tires fixed. And it made us walk around this little town. And we had a wonderful lunch at the Fountain Tea Room. I had a good chicken curry. My wife had some scampi. My daughter had a potato and cheese pie. It was all very wonderful. Everybody has been so incredibly kind. Exactly what I was told I would find. Was the kindness of the good people of Wales. So not exactly the way I wanted this holiday to start, but it is what we have been given, and a bad situation could not have gone any better. It was absolutely a wonderful experience. So we're resting in the hotel now, and we're looking forward to whatever adventures we can have tomorrow. Okay, wish us luck, pray for us, do all those things. I will see you soon, if not before. But for now, no sta.